making the most out of AI for your marketing team? If you're not sure, or you're sure you're not, then stick around. In this video, I'll go over 7 different ways that you can use AI tools, specifically generative AI tools, to improve your marketing. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you never miss out. Now let's dive in. Number 1, researching marketing or industry topics. If you don't want to search something on Google and instead want a more personalized answer, you can turn to a generative AI tool. Just type in your question, specify what length or amount of detail you're looking for, boom, get your response. This could be really useful if you're trying to learn more about a new marketing topic or if you're familiarizing yourself with an industry or a tool that you're working with. Of course, you should always be careful because AI does sometimes have a tendency to hallucinate false information. So always verify the info it gives you. That being said, it's a great way to perform introductory research on broad topics. Number 2, generating titles and headers. You can tell the tool what type of headline you're looking for and how long you want it to be, and then repeat the request a few times to get some options that you can choose from. You can then use those options to title some of the blog posts and articles on your website. With an AI tool at your side, you won't have to spend as long trying to come up with captivating headlines all on your own. Number 3, outlining blog posts and articles. Theoretically, you could have it write entire pages for you, but I wouldn't recommend publishing unedited AI content. It isn't perfect, and you'll want to keep relying on human writers. That being said, those writers can still use AI to outline the pages that they write. AI can give them an idea of a good page structure and some good topics to touch on. Then, based on those outlines, the writers can go and create the pages. Number 4, writing email subject lines and body copy. AI isn't just useful for helping you write website content. You can also use it to help you write other types of marketing materials, especially marketing emails. You can specify exactly the length and the tone that you're looking for and ensure that the emails are engaging. Of course, you can and you should go back and revise whatever the AI tool spits out. That way, you can check for any mistakes and make sure the emails fit your company's voice and branding. But using AI can definitely cut down on the time. Number 5, editing and rewriting documents. When you plug an existing document into an AI tool, you can ask the tool to give you feedback on the structure of the page. You can also have it rewrite the whole thing, whether you want something very similar to the original or something totally different. That allows you to easily freshen up older pages or other types of content. Number 6, maintaining a consistent brand voice. You can tell tools to write in a casual tone, a formal one, a humorous one, and plenty more. Specifically, though, you can teach your AI tool to replicate your company's unique brand voice. That means you can create marketing materials that use just the right style and voice to reach your target audience. Number 7, summarizing data. There are some data platforms out there that have AI built into them to help you generate reports and charts. But even with a basic generative AI tool, you can still input a bunch of data and have it analyze that data for you. Depending on which tool you're using, you should be careful what data you give it. You don't want to input any sensitive financial data or anything like that if you're using a tool like ChatGPT. But if you're using an AI tool that you trust and you're sticking to less sensitive data, it's a helpful way to speed up your data analytics. Well, there you go. Those are 7 ways you can use AI to help your marketing team. Of course, now you're probably wondering, which AI tool should I use? There are a lot of different models out there, and you may not be sure which one is best. Don't worry though. I've got you covered and I've got a solution for you. Team AI is an AI tool that gives you access to lots of different models, including GBT and Anthropic. It can do everything from writing email subject lines to simulating your brand voice. If you want to learn more about how you can use AI in your marketing, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for today. See you next time.